Hi. Hi, honey. Who are you? Dakota. Do you see your mom over there? Hi. How are you? Okay, I want you all to line up and wish your moms a happy Mother's Day, okay? You're going to be the first one, Dakota? Okay. Who else? Hi, honey. It's your mom over there, right? You are just a love bug. Hello, Maya. Hi, you with the waggy tail. Hi, baby. Would you like to wish your mom a happy Mother's Day? I thought so. Thank you. All right. We've heard from you enough. Hi, Pumpkinhead. Hi, little Punky. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Smile. You're a smiley. Yeah, you're smiley. Nobody's in here. Too nice a day outside. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Hey. No.
That didn't sound very good.
It's fine.
What are you looking at, you with the waggy tail up there? You're just a happy doggy, aren't you?
Archie.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi, sweetie. I don't think she wants to play with you. Me too. Me too. Last chance. Anyone want to wish their mom a happy Mother's Day, huh? Anybody out there? Nope, having too much fun. Hi, you. Hi, Bibi. Hey, do Bibi.